Recently, I was contacted by Aoocci about testing out their new C6 CarPlay system. Just came in. I'm super excited about this. I'm gonna unbox it right now and kind of go over the features of the system. So this Aoocci system, it's basically an all-in-one CarPlay system that can be used with both CarPlay and Android Auto. It has a 6¼ inch touch screen that comes in the kit. It's got front and rear 1080p cameras. It has a tire pressure monitoring system. It connects wirelessly both to your phone and your helmet comm system if you have it. It has a built-in GPS. It is waterproof, and it even has an emergency recording system, which is great in those urban environments if you get cut off or if you're in some sort of an accident, for proof later on down the road. This may just save your butt when it comes to getting that settlement. So in the box, you have this. Wow, I mean, this thing is really packaged well, okay? You have your actual screen, okay? And this is a very nice screen. It's got a very good heavy-duty feel to it. And then here are your cables that go to your power supply and to your cameras, all right? So we've got a baggie with mounting adapters for the cameras and some zip strips and stuff like that, so you can mount your cameras to wherever you decide to mount them. Also have a bag with adapters for your handlebar mount. All right, whether you're gonna mount the GPS to the handlebars, or maybe if you wanted to mount a camera to the handlebars, or whatever, but different sized mounts in here to mount to your handlebars, or whatever other round bars you might have on the bike. Here is a camera, and here is another camera, front and back. Now again, these are 1080p, so they're pretty quality cameras. And then you have your power supply cable. You have the cables for your cameras, and this is a little kind of a dash that you mount the screen to that gives it a little bit of protection, okay? Like so. A little bit of shade so you can read it while it's on the bike, etc. Very well built, feels like a very heavy duty piece of equipment. I am super excited to get this mounted up on the bike. I will do a full install video coming up shortly, and also a good review and wrap up of what I think of the product after I get it on and can get out and get some miles on the bike. So keep an eye out for those videos. If you're interested in picking one of these up now, you can either go through the link in the description, or if you go directly to the Aoocci website, you can type in upshifting ADV, all capital letters, in the promo code section to get 22% off of your purchase. So please, if you are gonna get one of these, I would really appreciate it if you would either click on the link or use my promo code. I do get a small commission from every purchase, not a whole lot, but it is something to help keep me bringing these videos to the channel. So hey, I hope you guys have a great day. Stay tuned for the complete series on the Aoocci C6 motorcycle CarPlay system. I'm really looking forward to getting this all set up. So have a great day. Good night.